Did you know there are literally thousands of free resources online that you can use to make your first $500 in the next couple of weeks? If you go to Google and you're going to search for this exact phrase right here, hit enter, then just go to one of these websites. What's going on, guys? It's Andy here, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to make your first $500 with affiliate marketing completely for free. I'm going to show you how to monetize thousands of free resources that you can find on the internet completely for free without having to create anything yourself, without investing a single cent into this method, and show you a step-by-step tutorial how to make money with these resources without any previous skills or experience. And using this method you can see your first results in just a couple of days. Now this is going to be working for you anywhere in the world. All you have to do is just have your laptop and an internet connection and a couple of minutes of your time to watch this video. So if you're looking forward to this, hit the like button under this video, subscribe to this channel to never miss out on any of my future uploads, and also leave a comment down below in the comment section. I would greatly appreciate it. So first of all, guys, what you want to do is go to this website right here that you may know because it's one of the most famous websites ever created. If you haven't heard of Google yet, I'm guessing it's your first day on the internet, so welcome. And in this video I'm going to show you how to monetize resources that you can find on Google and make anywhere between couple dollars up to $500 per week just by doing this. First of all, go to Google, and what you want to search for is free PLR. If you're going to search that on Google, you can find literally hundreds of websites that are going to provide you with almost unlimited content that you can use to make money online with. And for example, if you're going to go to this first website right here, what you are going to find is going to be mostly ebooks that have been created by somebody else and they are shared completely for free. If you're wondering actually what PLR means, if you're going to do yet another Google search, you can find this definition pretty much, which means private label rights, allowing someone to alter existing content such as articles, videos, or even PDFs or ebooks for that matter, and market it as their own. What this basically means, you can go ahead and grab any ebook from this website completely for free, do some clever editing with it, and start making money. Now, to make money with this free content, what you need is something that you can actually sell and get paid for. And for that, what you want to do is go to website, for example, like clickbank.com. Pretty much you can use any affiliate marketplace out there, but I'm going to show you how to do this with products from ClickBank because it's one of the easiest affiliate marketplaces for complete beginners. And all you have to do is just grab yourself a free account and then just log right into it. And once you log into your ClickBank account and navigate to the affiliate marketplace, right here you can find all the offers that you can promote from this website and get paid for. Now pretty much it's divided into all these categories that you can choose from based on the niche that you want to go with, and one of the best promoting niches all year round is going to be making money, weight loss, dating, and relationships. So if you're going to go for one of these niches, you're going to greatly improve your chance of making money. And for that reason, what I want you to do is go to, for example, into this health and fitness section, and right here on the left side in this toolbar, choose something like weight loss, dietary supplements, exercise, and fitness. And right here you can find the offers that are going to be selling the best. If you're going to scroll through all of these offers, you can see that you can get paid anywhere between couple dollars all the way to couple $100 for promoting any one of these offers. And what I highly recommend is that you're going to choose something with the highest gravity score that you can find, or at least gravity score that's going to be in 100, because the gravity score is pretty much serving like a ranking system that's going to be telling you how well the offer is selling. And for that reason, if we are going to choose, for example, something like this Fast Lean Pro takes the weight loss industry by the storm, you can see it has gravity score of 109, which is very good for an offer just like this. And as you can see, you can get paid over $136 for each of these conversions. And if you're going to click on it, you will be taken to the sales page, and it's going to look something like this. As you can see, this is some kind of dietary supplement that is supposed to be very good in helping people lose weight. And because this is something that's going to be working for people without having to do any exercise whatsoever, it's going to be selling pretty well because most of the people are lazy. They don't want to be putting in the work, going to the gym, working out, and that's when products just like these come in. So once you have a product that you want to promote, all you want to do is go back to the free PLR site, and you want to go to the search bar and type in there something like weight loss without exercise. Hit search, and what you want to do is look for a couple of ebooks that are going to be promoting exactly this. And as you can see right here at the top, for example, you've got this very nice looking ebook that's dealing with weight loss. I'm just going to open it up to see what it's about, and it's pretty much going to be like a very generic ebook that's going to be advising people how to lose weight, what are the benefits on weight loss, and all that good stuff. Now, because this ebook is very short, it contains just 10 pages, it's exactly something that we are looking for. All you have to do then is just go down here and click on download button and download download this to your computer. Once you're going to grab yourself a free ebook in the niche that you want to promote, what you want to do next is just simply hop over to Seida.com or any other PDF editor that's going to be free, and it's going to allow you to embed links into the PDF document. And what you want to do is click on Edit PDF Document and upload the file that you have just grabbed. And as you can see, this is the PDF that I have downloaded, and it's containing this very short table of contents, and then there's the main text of the book. If you're going to skim through this real quick, it's going to contain tips and tricks, how to lose weight, how to actually get in shape and stay in shape, and pretty much stuff like that. And what this is going to do for everybody that's going to read this, it's going to provide value to them. Because if you are looking for tips on how to lose weight or how to diet properly, any free advice is going to be greatly appreciated, especially if it's going to be high quality content just like this, and pretty much because you are going to provide value first to whoever is going to be reading this. If you are going to offer them something that's going to help them achieve their goal, they are that much more likely to make a purchase, and you are that much more likely to get paid. So what you want to do right here on Seida is just pretty much scroll all the way down here to this section, and you want to add another paragraph that's going to be something like this. A simple paragraph promoting your product in the best light possible without making any obnoxious claims, and all you have to do then is just add this magical sentence, click here. All you have to do is just pretty much highlight this sentence that says click here, and you want to click on this link button, head over to clickbank.com, and you want to click on promote right here, and you want to fill in your ClickBank nickname. Then just click on create a hop link, and you will get your very own affiliate link right here, which is going to be taking people directly to the sales page. But because they used your affiliate link, every time they are going to make a purchase, you are going to get paid. All you want to do then is just click on copy, and you want to go back to Seida, and you want to embed the text with your affiliate link by placing it in this field. Once you're going to do that, this entire sentence will become a clickable button that's going to be taking people to the sales page. All you have to do then is just click on apply changes, and you want to download this file. Next step, what you want to do is go to this website right here that's called docdroid.net, and you want to upload the PDF to this website, because Docdroid has one of the unique features that I haven't been able to find anywhere else, and it's not going to disable your affiliate link. For whatever reason, just click on select files, and you want to upload the PDF with your affiliate link to Docdroid, and pretty much you are ready to start sharing it. All you have to do now is just drive the most amount of relevant traffic that may be interested in losing weight without exercise, and I'm going to show you multiple ways how to do that. First of all, you can go to Google and search for something like how to lose weight without exercise Quora, and you're going to find a bunch of these threads that are dealing with this exact same issue, how to actually lose weight without exercise. If you're going to open one of these up, all you have to do is just click on answer, and you want to type a short answer that's going to say something like this, for example, providing actually answer to the question that's being asked, and then a short hint that you can find many good tips in this free ebook. Then just go ahead and paste link to your Docdroid ebook and just post it to Quora. You can do this for all the Quora threads and also for most of the Reddit threads, because you can use the exact same answer, just copy and paste it from Quora to Reddit, and it's going to start driving traffic to your free ebook, and that way you can get people to visit the sales page. Another good source of traffic for this is Facebook. Go to Facebook, and in the search bar type in weight loss without exercise, and you will find all of these groups that are interested in exactly this same topic. Just go through these groups and post a very simple post explaining that you were able to find a very nice ebook that's going to be dealing exactly with the same issue. Share your ebook in there, and you will get targeted traffic just as well. Now the third option, and one of the best that I have been able to utilize for this method, is actually Twitter. What you want to do is go to Twitter and write a simple tweet that's going to be promoting your ebook, something like this for example, and also make sure to include the link to your free ebook. Then pretty much what you want to do is just click on tweet, and the tweet promoting your ebook is going to get out there. Now because it's not going to get a lot of traction on its own, what I'm going to do as a bonus right now is show you how to actually boost this tweet to get tons of traffic without spending a single cent. What you want to do is go to this website right here that's called addmefast.com, and you want to sign up for your free account. Once you're going to do that, you want to log right into it, and this way you can promote your tweet very easily, completely for free. All you have to do is just get a bunch of these credits. That's going to take you just a couple of seconds. All you have to do is just go to this toolbar on the left side, and you want to choose what task you want to perform to earn these credits. For example, if you're going to go to Twitter followers, all you have to do then is just follow the profile this site's going to suggest to you, and click on follow, and this little pop-up window is going to pop up, and you get this little pop-up window, and all you have to do is just click on follow and wait for a couple of seconds for it to register. Then just go back to Add Me Fast, click on confirm, and you will get a bunch of these points. Pretty much what you want to do then is just click on add site/link, and then what you want to do is click on type, choose Twitter retweets, and then just go ahead and paste the Twitter ID. To do that, go back to Twitter, go to your profile, click on the tweet that you want to promote, and from the URL, what you want to do is copy the long number that's going to be in the URL bar, paste it into this field just like that, and then what you want to do is select the number of clicks that you want to buy for this tweet, and then just select the earnings, and then just select the cost that you want to pay for this tweet. For example, I want to pay 5 points per one single retweet. Based on the number of points that you are going to collect, I already spent myself over 500 points on promoting my tweets, and that's where I made money with this. So pretty much go ahead and fill in all these fields, then click on save changes, and just like that, your tweet is going to get boosted and it's going to start getting traffic. That way, the more clicks you get to the free ebook that you have provided, the more clicks you will get to the sales page, and the more clicks you get to the sales page, the more you are likely to get a sale. And for every one of these, you are going to get paid on average between a couple of dollars up to hundreds of dollars depending on the product that you're going to be promoting, and all this is literally zero cost. So that's it for today, guys. A very easy method for complete beginners to make their first money with affiliate marketing in 2023. So if you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit the like button if you haven't already, and for more free money making content, check out this video right here. Have a fantastic day, and I'm going to see you there.